Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today for you friends. This is the exercise number 24. This is also a very simple part like earlier tutorials. We will use only 2 sketch, 1 extrude, and 1 extrude cut commands for completing this part. We will use SolidWorks 2018 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular practice. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Now we will make this portion. Left-click on front plane and choose Sketch.
Now take the line command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 150 millimeters. Distance is 70 millimeters. Width is 60 millimeters. Width is 30 millimeters.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined.
Distance is 10 millimeters. Now take Offset Entities command. Reverse direction.
Press OK.
Reverse direction. Width is 100 millimeters.
Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Press Ctrl+8. Now take Corner Rectangle command and draw a rectangle. Hold on Control button and select these lines, and choose Collinear Relations.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 100 millimeters. Distance is 60 millimeters. Height is 20 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined.
From featured menu select Extrude Cut command. Select through all.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.